So hi guys, welcome to another episode of Foodgenius. So we thought of making something called as the street food series. So this is episode 1 of it. And as you can see in front of us, there is something called as the Sri Venkateshwara Hotel, it seems. So we have come here to eat some samosas and mirchi bhajis and whatever is available. So the owner has given the permission and it's time for me to go and bang. So Atul Teja is actually desperately hungry. So instead of wasting time, let's go in and bang them. Boom! Now it's time for me to remove the mask, and we got our first plate of meals. So this is the samosa, we got the pakodi, a plate of pakodi, and this is the mirchi bhaji. So let me do a quick taste test and I'm going to review this shit on the road, okay? It's not shit, okay? So finally, first bite. Wow, look at the feeling. It's super fresh, awesome. This is essential. The bite of this is super essential. Coming to the pakodi, he has topped it up with the masala. Perfect combination for the evening snacks, man. Pakodi, samosa, and finally the mirchi bhaji. This is my most favorite snack of all time. You give me a plate of mirchi bhaji in the evening, will impress me and I'll marry you. Now you know what? I feel like saying a naught by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity a n cos 2 pi nx by b minus a plus b n sin 2 pi nx by 1 b minus a. You know what this is? Fourier series. Please learn. A big man.
So guys, continuing on the Nagaram street food journey, we are almost near Dammagoda Chaurasta and we are at the favorite location. From the starting of BTech, we ate lot of barbecue and kebabs. This was for eating protein and also good stuff for drinking, you know. So the bro is very excited because we are filming him. We ordered everything, and besides there is fish fry, which is very cheap and very tasty. We're going to taste everything and we're going to boom, see what's going to happen. Bang on! Lemon drizzle as always. Instead of onion, we got kheera. This is the boneless chicken. We are very excited. Yeah, show this, bro. It's very hot. Ow! But you can see, boom. Actually, this is a bone one. I thought this is a boneless one. Haha. Very tender. You can see the chicken shop is over there. So you know the chicken is fresh as. Now see. This red color is not food color. This is a real chili powder. This is very spicy. That's why I said this is a perfect stuff for the alcohol. Now I'll take a bite into a white meat, which is the breast piece. Show the close up, bro. Oh, yeah. Very tender than the red meat. As you can see, I will show you. You can see the juices oozing out of it. Oh, yeah. Enough of this. Now Mr. Shalendra Einstein is gonna tell how the wings are going to taste. Boom.
And bang on. Look at these. These are the incredible wings. Oh my goodness. Look at this, man. It's super awesome. I am in heaven right now, man. You know what? I feel like saying integral f1 plus integral f2 is equal to double integral of dou f2 by dou x plus dou f1 by dou y. You know what is that? Please go and learn Green's theorem. M2 vector integration akkada unta chadukondi. Wow, if ever you feel like coming and having some ultimate chicken barbecue stuff, please do come over here. We have shot the address and all that stuff. We have shown the boat, right? So please come to Dammaiguda. Have this stuff. This stuff is really incredible. For I think wings cost you around 100 rupees for 4 pieces. It's worth it, man. I'm telling you, right, as Atul Teja told you that half of our BTech life has been spent over here. We have every time whenever we feel like coming and having chicken, we used to come over here and have it because the taste is super awesome and freshness is incredible. So bang on. I'm going to take a quick fat bite and I'll leave it to Atul Teja, and we at the last are going to enjoy the drumsticks. Incredible. So bang on. We got the last but one, which is called the penultimate as per chemistry, but those are not required now. So these are the drumsticks. Yeah, the first bite goes on with the drizzle of love. Anyways, man, these are sucked ones, man. Anyways, we don't care. So here we go, the first bite. Ultimate bay. You know what I feel like saying? Integral 0 to I x power m-1 into 1 minus x whole power n-1. You know what is that called as? Beta function. It tastes exactly like that. Wow. Insane. I think it slowly started to kick in my mind. Anyways, so I can't express, man. This is the best ultimate BBQ in our area, man. And we have got our boneless also. Now look at that. So let me taste right from the grilled char awesomeness.
So this is the fish fry, guys, just 40 rupees. After Mr. Shailendra ate all my favorite drumstick and wings for the review, but I'm gonna compensate by eating his favorite fish. It's just deep fried, so it's crispy. Ow, my hand is burning. Ow. Oh man. I don't know if you guys can see the fumes, but there are definitely fumes in my brain because this is skin ultimate awesome. Ultimate spicy and salty as the fish should be, but the taste you can tell this is a fresh fish because some people after eating deep fried fish they don't know if it's fresh or not because they can't taste the funkiness. Anyway, I'm not gonna say some shitty mathematic dialogues because I failed many times. I'm gonna eat the skin, which you can see is very hard. Bite with the fish skin. This is so crispy that you need it with the bones. Perfect after eating the heavy chicken. This goes well with root beer. Bang on. Boom. So guys, we are super duper food high because we ate ultimate awesome chicken and fish. Now to digest the shit we ate, we are drinking some happy. So I'm not gonna waste some time and go super quick review. The first place we ate some Indian fritters and fries and samosas. They were awesome crispy, but they were cold. And second place we tried to eat some fast food, but they kicked us out. So directly we went to our favorite kebab place, the Naan Kebab. Shailendra ate all the crazy chicken dishes, so he's gonna give the extensive food review. All I'm gonna say about the fish is, which is super duper crispy skin and the inside was so soft and bones are also super crunchy. Shailendra action is high like the last video. Enough of drinking happy, man. The video is shaking because we are walking. Wow. The best thing was the bill was 480 and we only paid 300. The owner was very kindly and gave us generous discount. Now if you like the video, the new Food Genius Street Food series, make sure to support us, and if there is an awesome food near your area which is street food, and we're gonna make sure to conquer it. So support us by like, share and subscribe to Food Genius.